thanks for popping by. It's Jamie. If you saw my last video, you know that what I'm wearing today is my easy, everyday face, simple, quick, unimpressive on video. So if you didn't watch the last video, you're going to want to check it out because what I'm going to show you is a 3-video series with the 3 big tricks and tips to look your best on camera. So tip number 1 is going to be the makeup itself. If you haven't guessed, my everyday face is not something I use for a video or photo face. So what I want to show you is what we're going to do to start. Be sure to drop me a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next 2 and can see what really goes into that final perfect looking video that you've probably watched before and thought, when I do this, I don't look like that. So the first thing that we need to do is take the face that is everyday face and add to it. So I'm going to take the darker color here and I'm going to super darken my crease. Because the number one thing you need to know about film, whether it's video or just a still shot, is what you see with your eyes and in the mirror is not what the camera sees. Now you can have incredible amounts of megapixels, which is why I bought this camera, but your eyes still have over 570. So it's not going to be the same capture as someone face to face in the video. So there's a whole lot of dark. I'm going to go even further and I'm going to take this almost black and add it to the outside corners. And that's the other thing to know. This makeup, I've done makeup like this before to take pictures, and when it comes to I have to go somewhere after that, I start wiping. Because honestly, I would not wear this amount of makeup to see someone face to face. Some of that light reflection in here. The number one thing this video is about is double, triple, maybe even quadruple the amount of makeup on your face to get the everyday effect you have face to face with someone. I'm going to put some of this cream on here. So basically what you want to do is where you wear your darks, go extra dark, and where you wear your lights, go super extra light. I'm putting this cream in here because that's an important rule too. If you want really extreme color from your eyeshadow, place it on top of a cream. It can be any cream. It could be a nice heavy load of shadow primer. I've used concealer before. This is actually a highlighting cream that I have. What the cream is going to do is just, you know, really keep your eyeshadow on there heavy for the most amount of color. Again, same as the crease, we're gonna layer, 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 layer. Put it on, put it on. And also with our camera look, we're not going to blend as well as we would with every day, because again, the difference between a camera and actual people's eyes, those megapixels crisp things up. So what a camera is going to do is blend it for you anyway. Underneath. So if you haven't, what I really want you to do is check out my Facebook, check out my Instagram, Manageable Makeup, drop some pics, tag me, let me know if you've tried the camera makeup trick. And I'm going to go ahead, this is actually the only time that I use the liquid eyeliner the whole way across. This is more makeup than I would leave the house in, I guess, unless I was red carpeting, but you know how like that is. So I can't stress enough, just layer, 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 extra, 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 more, more, more. And that's going to go for your eyelashes also. So don't be afraid to coat, 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 an extra coat. So let me know in the comments if you've done this before, if you're gonna try it now. So I'm gonna get this to be my third mascara of the day. Just layer, layer, layer. And as I said in the last video, you don't, I mean, you do if you like it, I don't know, it's up to you. But I am not a big fan of overlining unless it's for camera. So what we're doing is we're going slightly outside of the line. And again, I just can't stress enough the difference between what someone's eyes see when you're face to face and what a camera sees. So if you've watched these videos that are just too good to be true, you know your face can't look that good. That's what cameras are for, honestly. And the one other thing that we need to do, like I said, overdo it. Some more shade. And then of course we're going to throw on extra highlight. Alright, let me know below what you think. Again, the takeaway from this video is everyday makeup does not look good on camera, and camera makeup doesn't look that great for everyday life. It's all about extra everything. Deepen, darken, make it show up on that camera. So drop me a like if you enjoyed this tip. I have the next 2 videos coming up soon with the other 2 very important tips.